Wondering how to make folded paper texture in Photoshop? Today I will show you a simple way to create this kind of textures and how to apply this texture to a poster. My name is Ivan Gromov and I have more than 9 years of professional experience in Photoshop. Subscribe to Envato Elements to access thousands of textures, backgrounds and overlays with a simple commercial licensing. No lock-in contract means you can cancel your subscription anytime. You can follow along with the written tutorial over on our website. The link is in the description. First of all, you need to create a scan of your folded paper. I used the settings which you can see on the screen. You can also try to take a photo of your paper with a smartphone if you don't have a scanner. Let's open our image. Don't worry if your result looks too white, we will fix it in the next steps. Go to Image, Adjustments, Brightness Contrast and set the brightness to -50 and contrast to 45. Press Ctrl-I to invert the image or go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Hit Shift-Ctrl-Alt-B and then press OK to apply black and white filter. Or you can go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. Here's the result of applying the filters to my folded paper texture. Now let's apply our texture to a poster. Open the template in Photoshop and put the texture above all the layers. Change the blending mode of the layer to linear dodge. Or you can also try screen and lighten. If you want to make your texture more obvious, you can create a copy of your layer with Ctrl-J case combination and set the opacity of this layer to about 50%. Here is our final result. In this way, we can create a black folded paper texture and use it as an overlay in Photoshop. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check our channel for more useful tutorials.